Tap down for Ceres. Spain look to work it away. The cover defence is good though from Jack Kelly. Comes across and gets every bit of his opposing number. Spain coming back towards Rayner. That front on by Goddard might have gone high. Not rolling will also be the call as Lopez restarts us. He went to Moreno. And looked to be lost at the base there. No, play on will be the call, and in away goes Laforga. Rayner. He's been lively. This Spain's best field position. Ireland not rolling away again. Lopez taps and runs. Montesa. Moreno going in and lending a hand here. Ireland though, good on the ball. And they win the penalty, Spain not releasing.
Yeah, good reaction time there. Holding on all right. Andrew Smith, the try scorer, this time the penalty provider. Spanish looking good in their first real opportunity.
Nah, yeah, that's my fault.
Ireland still made 100% of their tackles though, they're not missing. Yeah, clearly a man on his feet, try and hands on the ball.
Yes, so
man
the
on
line's the
ground
mark,
hanging
we won't
on.
move off that.
It's about as good as it gets, doesn't it? Over the ball. Body position there from Andrew Smith. Wonderful to win the penalty back for Ireland. They've kicked a touch. It's Dardis now with the throw. McNulty is his target. And very nearly gets picked off. Dardis. Goddard. Here's the try scorer, Smith. Creating some space for McNulty. Kennedy in behind. They'll tow it ahead. And hammering through his Ed Kelly. Ed Kelly takes it just short of the 22. McNulty wants it fast. Dardis. Spain aligned well in defence. Jack Kelly steps over one. Jack Kelly, too powerful. And right on half-time, will double their lead after the conversion.
We'll put that one down due to the kick, so that's 2 tries to the half. Kicks are responsible. It was one of the Kellys here. Ed Kelly, he's done the hard work. He comes to centre field. Then the other brother, Jack Kelly. It's the Kelly gang, famous in Australian history. Google it. Convicts. Have a look at him go. What a way. How often do we see a try after half-time?
The try is good. The conversion is also on the board.
Well, I don't know how to explain it.
Don't try. Half-time, 4-0 the score.
Yeah, like Smithy, pick us to the goal line, alright? Yeah, but longer down there as far as we can and get that pace, get them turned off. Aside from that, then okay, if we can just keep away from them out there, you know, we're opening themselves up there. It's easy to step on them, okay? So just make sure we give ourselves 5 metres space and attack. Otherwise, that.
20 when we're out at Combank Stadium, a little further west.
Well, the simple fact is they drew with USA last weekend, so if they beat Spain, beat USA, they're in the finals.
Also beat South Africa last weekend. Did Ireland. Here's Ed Kelly coming over to Smith. Smith has been excellent. Smith still moving and gets it away. Still alive. Now it breaks down. Oh, just missed the target. Dropped there by McNamara on the way through, and it all breaks down.
Oh, poor Liam McNamara. He was on the inside of Andrew Smith here. Have a look. He's there. I'd love it. No, he gives it to Kennedy, who then McNamara then comes on the outside. He's ignored once. Bad pass the second time.
Stay down. Down. Yeah. Stay down. Yeah. Come on.
Number left.
Crouch.
I'm getting out.
Bye.
Gee, they defend staunchly, the Irish. Still on 100% completion of tackles for this game.
They haven't had a whole lot of possession, Spain, and now they hand it straight back to Ireland.
James Topping, the Irish coach, spoke about intensity. I couldn't fault it in the first half. 2 tries, both from kicks.
Perfect, thank you. Yeah, you're being subbed with as well.
Thanks, man.
Sweet.
See you, Bill. Where's the march?
Touch this here.
Well, you mentioned the USA, Greg Martin, and they're up on the other side of this clash against Samoa, and that will be a fun watch. Got your number 3 and number 5 seeds about to go at it.